Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back everybody. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Today is the 13th of May. I hope and pray that all mothers enjoyed their day, whether it was a staycation or you stayed around the house or you went away somewhere for a day or two or a couple of hours. I really hope and pray that you enjoyed yourself. So today I'm going to talk about hydration. Now, my previous video that I did a few days ago, I did speak about hydrated hair. Someone wanted to know what is hydration. I did mention in the video you can use water because water is hydrating. Also conditioner. So I'm really going to talk about what conditioner does for the hair when it comes to hydrated and how you should apply your conditioner to the hair to keep the ends of your hair hydrated. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to apply conditioner to the hair, but we'll get into that another time. If you really want to know that, I may mention it in this video. So before I do that, I want to thank everyone who are here today. Thank you guys so much. It is an honor and also a pleasure to be here before you guys. If you like the videos, give it a thumbs up, okay? Those of you who haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button back there, press the bell. Please make sure that you turn your notifications on so you won't miss any videos. Now, the video is not going to be long, okay? I'm not going to be making long videos because people want people to get right into it. Now, I was asked a question about, okay, so Sapphire, how do you hydrate the hair? What do I use? As I mentioned in my previous video, you can use water with a little oil in it or a little glycerin. You can use that, or you can use conditioner. Now, conditioner, yes, ladies, conditioner does hydrate the hair, whether you know that or not. You just have to use it in the right way. So after we shampoo our hair, we must follow up with a conditioner. Now, some of you don't use deep conditioner, which is fine because I have used rinse out conditioners as a deep conditioner, and there's nothing wrong with my hair, as you can see. Okay, so you can use that. Just follow the directions. If it just says apply it to the wet hair and then rinse out, you want to leave it in for about a good 5, 7, 8 minutes or so. Okay, if it's not telling you how long to leave it in there, some conditioners just say apply to wet hair and then rinse out. It doesn't really say leave it in for 2 minutes, leave it in for 3 minutes, and so on and so on. But you can be the judge of that. Okay, depending on your hair type, okay, you could be the judge of that. So you're going to add conditioner to the hair. Conditioner helps to restore moisture back into the hair. Believe it or not, it also adds hydration to the hair. So you want to apply a conditioner only to the ends because conditioner is made for the ends of your hair, not for all over, inside and out. Only the ends because they are the oldest part, believe it or not. Okay, so you want to start from here all the way down, especially hitting those ends very well. This will really stop your hair from drying out. Okay, leave it on for about a good 10, 15, 20 minutes with a plastic cap. Or you can go into your hooded dryer for about a good 20 minutes or so. If your hair is really damaged, you want to stay up under there for about a good 30 minutes, okay? And then after that, rinse with warm water, not cold water, but warm water. Follow it with a leave-in. Add your penetrating oil, whatever oil you choose, or an oil that's really good to really help keep in that moisture. Okay, once again, conditioner goes at the ends of our hair. You know, it doesn't go up here. I see people using it up here. Even when they have a fresh relax, they could be 5, 8 weeks post relaxer and they're putting conditioner right up here. Now, if you're stretching and you've gained about 3, 4, 5 inches and your hair is really unmanageable, you can take conditioner, add it to the roots, to the new growth, and then just massage it in a little bit, and then take your detangler, whatever you use, and then detangle like that. But conditioner goes on the ends of our hair. Okay, it doesn't go everywhere, just the ends of our hair. That's it. So that's what it's made for. So if you don't want to take my word for it, look it up and find out how to apply conditioner to the hair, and it will tell you. Okay, I hope and pray that you guys enjoyed today's video. Any more questions on anything that I have, like my conditioners or my oils or how I use them, leave me some comments down here. That's why I'm here, to answer every question that I can. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.